Hey guys, welcome to Hype Productions. In this video tutorial, we're going to turn a 2D image into 3D box with the help of Adobe Photoshop and Adobe After Effects. During this session, we will design a 2D box, 2D artwork, and we'll turn them into the Adobe After Effects with the help of 3D rotations with the help of Null Objects. So let's get started and subscribe Hype Productions. First of all, guys, you can actually watch this. This is the canvas which I have already designed. But for designing in Adobe After Effects as a 3D box, so we need to design 6 faces of the box, which is front, back, right, left, and top and bottom. So it is actually an example. So we need to create this once again. So once again, I'm going to take the canvas, which is approximate 8 by 12 inches, and with the it's up to you that you can have a resolution of 72 or 100 or 150. I'm just going to take, I'm so sorry, it's too much low. I need to take 100. So as you can see that I have already these things apply here. So I'm going to take the background behind of it right now, and that's perfectly done. Here, once again, I'm going to come back here and I will find out these borders, because I have designed these borders by properly, but we need to create some transformation because it was 150 pixels. This canvas is about 100 resolution. So just adjust this properly. That's perfect. Once again, I'm going to take Control T and transformation. This is much better. So I have already downloaded one logo which was unregistered logo. You can find out these things. So double click on the layer and select white color. Go to the select and find out the similar. Similar will select the white color and find out delete options. Then you may delete this easily and just copy this and drag here. So press Ctrl and click on the layer of this fire, or you can find out oil drops and fill the color which was yellow. I'm going to take the brush and bring the white color, and I will make it white in this center flame or center drop. That's perfect. So now I'm just going to add some text here, which was actually one drop, and for that purpose I just need to take my font, which was Agency FB, and just increase the size of this. Okay, adjust this into the center. I'm going to take another layer and make it, I will create underline of this. It's just for the formality. It's up to you that you want to add this or you don't want to add this. I will just take this as a formality to make it some more effective. That's perfect. So now here I'm just gonna clear my name, which was Mersk, and I guess I need to find out some more effective text, which was I guess this one. So I need to increase the size somehow and go to this option which is called character and find out the gap between of each. So decrease the gap. I guess it was this much better. Once again, center align this and go to some top side, which was something like this. Select this, and I just don't want the color of this object, so I guess this one is much better. Mersk. Another text layer, I'm gonna add some essential oil. You can find out some kind of a tagline. So there. Okay, decrease the size, and I don't want this kind of font, so I'm going to take the font Arial bold font. Is much better. Center align and go to the top side of it. something like this. Now I need to take another layer, take the shape and draw a shape like this. When you draw the shape, so it will ask you that how much smoothness do you want on the corner of this object. So I'm just gonna take 30%. Oh, it's 20.5 pixel. Allow. So just need to fill the color here. Right. Now one more thing we're going to do this as extra, which is select the layer of essential oil, press Ctrl and go to the T. When you find out the box, just click on the box so you can find out the selections. After this, just off the layer of essential oil and go to the layer 5 and then delete. So you can find out the text inside of the shape. So as I have already aligned, which was actually a material of text, which was Maersk essential oil. The last line was Camphora Maersk. Actually, it's the name of the formula of this oil. So I'm just going to add this one as well. So once again, I'll take this layer and I will copy this text and paste it here. Camphora. So Maersk. That's much better. I just need to increase the spacing and increase some size as well. And in the last, I'm just gonna make it to the center like this and make the color yellow. So now that's perfectly we have done. Maersk one drop. As you can see this, I just need to add some text as a description here, which was this. So I guess Maersk is essential oil. It's extracted by steam distillation. I guess essential spelling is some mistaken, which is S. Yeah, that's perfectly done. So I need to copy this text and I will apply here. So you can find out it has the great size, which I don't want this. I will take the font which was Times New Roman regular, so we'll have to increase the size, and then I just need to adjust this. Okay, it was some mistake like this. So I have added this text in this center as well, but it's a more perfect alignment. So now I have actually created the front part, so I'm gonna save this front part. I'm gonna create the new folder for 3D box. Oh, sorry. 3D box, and here I'm just gonna save this with the name of front and make one JPEG images for this one, and I will give the name is front/back as well. Okay, he says that is not valid name. I'm gonna make it Control Shift Save. So I have this. I have saved this file as a name of front and as a name of back because I'm going to use this in both angles. So now once again I'm going to do this. So what was the main target of mine? It was like everything will be same, but the heading will going to be changed. So I will save as this file with the name of my left part. I will select my every sites, something like this, and make it, oh sorry, this was a mistake. I'm just gonna make it small tick to the top. I don't want the layer of one drop. I don't want the layer of this one. Only I want this layer, these layers, like this. That's perfect. So just delete this layer. I will open the layer of one drop and will drop it here, which was the name is called direction. That's perfect. I'll actually detail of one thing as well, but I'm just not gonna share this. I'm just gonna do, what am I gonna do? I just will find out my, go to the Google and I will find out Lorem Ipsum. Lorem Ipsum. Lorem Ipsum is a website where you can find out unregistered text. So I will find out this unregistered text, and I will copy and will take my text tool, and here I'm gonna select my font, which was Times New Roman, and make it size 18 pixel and paste it here. That's perfectly here. You just need to create a size like this. You only need to adjust the text. Here. So finally we have adjusted this text. So we have some problems in here, so just need to decrease the size of this. Okay, so I'm just going to give the inverted, dot. Here we need to make some more effectively like this. Alright folks, so as you can find out, my text here, and which is I have adjusted something like this, and go to the brush tool, will take my new layer, and I will create some bullet point like this. And in the end I have this line, copy this, and now I will place this line like this, center, so this was my left part, and here I'm gonna create a JPEG of my left side. Alright, so I will save as file with the name of right. I will not change the text, I will only change the headings, which was called going to be precautions, and my text will remain same. I will only add suppose barcode. Yeah, that's perfectly then. It's barcode PNG. I'm just going to take this one. I guess this is much better. And now I'll call this barcode. Okay, press Ctrl and click here and fill the layer color. This is much better right now. This is my right side, so I'm gonna create a JPEG of my right. Alright, as you can see that guys, I have already the size of 8 inches width. So I'll take a new canvas. I'm gonna take the new canvas, which was going to be 8 by 8 inch pixel with 100 resolution. And the same thing, I'm gonna drop this, which was my background. And with my background, I will select my first. I will find out everything in it. This, yeah. I'm just gonna drag and drop here, but unfortunately we have some problems, so we need to find out. I'm just gonna delete this one. Once again, I'm gonna go to the same process, but unfortunately we have grayscale mode. So we need this mode, 8 by 800 resolution RGB mode. I'm just gonna drag and drop. And this time I will create a group of my logo. Select the background and drag the background behind of it. Like this. So it is my top part, and I'm gonna make the JPEG of my top. And this is my base. So guys, I have already done this. I'm just going to go to the Adobe After Effects. So now guys, I have in the Adobe After Effects, I'm just going to go to the composition and find out 1920 by 1080 pixel frame size, or screen size you can call it. So I'm just going to go to the OK and call my all the files: front, back, left, right, and bottom, base. Drop this into the composition layer, something like this. So first of all, I'm just gonna start to make it 3D, all the layers. All the layer will be 3D. So first of all, I will talk about front. So I have this front. Press S and scale the size, everything. Go to the 4 views. Like you can find out the views from right side, from front, from top, and this is actually my camera area. So I'm just going to select only front, or you can find out top as well. So it is my top side. What will I have to do with top? Base will be down, top will be on the top. So you can find out my top side, which was actually a proper. So go press R for the rotation, and I'm just going to take the rotations of my top side, which is approximate -90. After taking -90, you can bring top side on the top. You will have to be perfect or find out some perfection. So we have adjust my top. Go to the full HD quality so you can find out properly. You can find out your top side. Okay, after top, you will have to set your right and left. So I'm just gonna off the layer of my front, and we'll see my this is my left part rotation, press Y rotation. Okay, so it's minus 90. Go to the right side. And then if you will go to the right, so you will go only 90, not minus 90, only 90, and set this to here, which was actually a problem. So as you can see, we have set the top, right and left. Now front, back and the base point as well. So now you can go to the front already on the front, so you just need to set the position of the front side. Good. Take the duplicate by Ctrl D and take the front side to the back as well. Rotate, sorry, like this, 180. So now guys, we have set the top side, we have set the right and left, and we have set the front and back. One thing is remain, which was our base. So we have to go to the rotation of the base as well and play with some X 90 degree and bring it out to the inside or underneath of every object, because it's my base point. That's perfect. I'm just going to go back to my first viewport, which was like this. So this time one thing is extracted, which is called new, and take the null object, and after that select all the layers, check this point which is called the parent, and just drag this point to the null objects. So you can find out everywhere is null object, null object, null object. You can change the null object into 3D as well. So now after this, what you will find the rotation of the null object by pressing R, and you can find out my 3D box is ready. If you are having confusion to watch this, so I will add my new solid white layer in the background. So now you can find out this properly. See my 3D box on Adobe After Effects with the help of Photoshop. Okay. This is my box, which was left box, I guess 90 degree. Now is perfect, and this box is also flipped. So I will come to my my right point, right side. I will bring minus 90. So now guys, you have find out a proper 3D box in 2D software. Let's play with some 3D rotation so you can find easily. So guys, I hope you like this tutorial, and if you like this, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so I can give you some more tutorials about this. Thank you so much.